How to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to add hyperlink in PowerPoint presentation, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first step is to open PowerPoint on your PC or laptop. From here, you want to open up either your existing PowerPoint or open a new slide. Once you're here, you want to type in the text in which you want to add the hyperlink. Once you do that, you want to highlight that text. Now you want to click on Insert. Then from these options, select Link. This box is going to appear. Down below where it says Address, you want to paste the link that you want to add. Now click on the OK option. As you can see, the link has now been added. Now you can press F5. And now click on this link. Once you click on it, the link will now open up in a new browser. Now in the same way, you can add other hyperlinks in your PowerPoint as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.